Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make letter banners in Minecraft. Now can be quite difficult for you to understand. So to start off you need white banners. White banners can be shown and can be described and crafted like this. You need white wool and sticks. Grab a crafting table, right click the crafting table, put a stick on the bottom and surround it with wool on the top. And here is your white banner. You will need glue and black dye in order to kind of paint the white banner. Black dye can be found from black wool or black flowers. Looms can be found mostly anywhere on the map. Now you're gonna put your white banner and you're gonna put your black dye, and you have many different choices. Let's say we want to make a H. You're gonna pick on the right side of the black, then you're gonna push it again. You're gonna pick on the left side now. The left side is right in the middle. If I find it, that's an X, so you can still make an X. Make a cross. What we're looking for is this. Now, if I want to make a H, I want the man in the middle, and here is your H, and that is your letter. Now, you can make different letters. You can make an X, for example. An X is very easy to make, like this. There's an X on the fourth one. Press it, and here it is. Now you can make A's, B's, and C's, but they can be quite tricky. As shown in this tutorial, they can be very tricky to find because you need to find the proper diluted item and the proper drawing for it in order to actually make your A, B, or C or any other significant hard letters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.